Namaskar, myself C.S. Himanshu Sharma, a practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today, I will discuss the procedure for registration of trust in Delhi. Please note that trust is a confidence reposed by the settler to the trustee for the benefit of the beneficiary. Keeping in view this line, first of all, we will draft trust deed incorporating all clause. That is the detail of the trustee, detail of settler, name of the trustee, registered office of the trust, trust income, board of trustee, removal of trustee, meeting of the trust, bank account provision, books of accounts provision, amendment interest, binding a provision, etc. It means the most important thing while registration of trust is drafting of a trust deed. एक ड्राफ्ट करना is a very important part in whole process. Drafting is the synthesis of law and fact in true sense. When drafting part is completed in all respect, we will purchase 100 rupees stamp paper which will be first page of the deed, and through we will take online appointment also. And one we will purchase stamp paper of 1120 rupees for fee from Stock Holding Corporation of India, which is easily available in 1500 rupees from stamp vendor. Also, you can take print out of the said stamp paper after paying fee online through Stock Holding Corporation of India's website. Now, two stages complete. First, we have draft we have draft a trust deed. Second, we purchase two stamp paper, 100 rupees stamp paper and one 1100 rupees stamp paper as a fee. After this, we will take online appointment. Please note SRAMS dot DELHI dot GOV.in. We will take online appointment after going through this site SRAMS dot Delhi dot gov.in. We will select district, sub-registrar office, area detail. As you all know that there is 11 district in Delhi, so be careful, be cautious while selecting district, sub-registrar office, area detail. Now, please prepare file as per this sequence. Original document with one set of Xerox copy, passport size photograph on both copy of document, original ID proof of the concerned party, settler, trustee, witness. Please collect PAN card or passport or driving license or Aadhaar card. In case of company, power of attorney, resolution fee 1100 rupees stamp paper you have already purchased. In case of trust deed, 3% stamp duty is required on the total consideration amount. Now please note practical aspect. Settler's presence is required with trustee while presenting the trust deed. Again, please note you will sign on each and every page, but who will sign? Only the trustee or the settler who is present. Yes. Then please take appointment, and after taking online appointment, you will present your trust deed as per schedule time in front of registrar. There Once registrar will approve, after scrutiny, finger as well as photograph will be captured. And please note, most important, that you will take a receipt from registrar office. You will take a receipt from registrar office while all process will be complete, as it is very necessary when you will collect your trust date between 3 to 5 on the same day or the next day. And yes, process is very simple, but it requires vocab, communication ability with registrar, setting ability with registrar, tactic ability with clerks. And yes, you can do. I have full confidence on you all. You all are champion. Thank you very much. Thank you.